Welcome back. If you haven't been in here before, please consider liking and subscribing and commenting below if you have any ideas on how some of these are solved. So this one is greatly increased in difficulty, and I'm going to start by again writing the order of operations. So I start with parentheses, then I go to exponents, then I have multiplication and division, and then I have addition and subtraction. Well, the first thing that I have is parentheses. So inside the parentheses, you'll see this time I have both subtraction and multiplication. And once we have parentheses, the whole problem resets and I have to do this in front first. So I'm going to work inside the parentheses first. So I have to go left to right and I need to bring down what I didn't use first. So I have the 9 minus 4 times 2. And this x is not a variable as in algebra. It does mean multiply here. And then over here, the parentheses, I have to put the parentheses here because there's two operations inside there, and I have to do both of these operations before I reset and then go do anything else on the outside. So I can't do the 2 minus 1 first. So I'm going to put the 2 and the minus. And then over here, this is 1 times 2, so I have to do this piece first. So 1 times 2 is 2. So as you see inside here, I have 2 minus 2. We'll come back to that in a second. And I didn't use the plus 3, so I put it there. Next thing I'm going to do is I again have to stay inside parentheses. I had multiplication, then I have subtraction. And this subtraction is inside parentheses, so this has to be done before the multiplication. So I again go left to right, and I'm going to bring down what I didn't use 4 times. And this is 2 times, and now 2 minus 2 is 0. So, and I bring down the plus 3. The next thing that I have to do now now I'm done with I have parentheses here. Now I'm done inside the parentheses. So now I resume. I'm done with parentheses. I go to exponents. We don't have any. And then I have multiplication and division. Okay, so now what I have here is I have subtraction, multiplication written differently. When a 2 is next to parentheses, it means to multiply. So I have multiplication here and multiplication here. So I have to actually go left to right on it. So then I'm going to bring down what I didn't use, which is 9 minus 4 times 2 is 8. And I still have times 0 here. And then I have plus 3. And then the next thing I'm up to is I have to still stay with multiplication before I can do the addition and subtraction. So I have the 9. So 8 times 0 is 0. And then I bring down the plus 3. Now I have addition and subtraction, which are both, they're both of equal weighting, but I have to go left to right. So I'm going to do the 9 minus 0 first, which is just 9, and I bring down the plus 3. And our final answer is 12.
That was easy.